Hi, and welcome to Lavonne's Kitchen. Today we're cooking something really good in the kitchen, and of course it's going to be delicious. So I'm going to get everything ready, and while I'm doing that, you know what I need you to do. That's right, hit that subscribe button, and I'll be back. Today we are in the kitchen with a special guest. This is my daughter, Angel. Introduce yourself.
My name is Angel. I am going live right now on TikTok, so I need you guys to follow me. You can find me at Third Eye with the number 3 RDBYE 1981.
Okay, so she's live on her TikTok, and you guys are on my video. Today we are cooking some jerk wings. So what we're gonna do is first let her introduce you to the ingredients that we're going to be using. Of course, the star of the show is the wings. So show them what we're gonna be using. The wings.
So we got the wings.
There we go. And then we have some vegetable oil.
Oh,
We have some brown sugar. We have minced garlic. And we have soy sauce. And then we've got our jerk seasoning mix. It's a Caribbean jerk seasoning mix. It's just by McCormick. And what she's gonna do is go ahead, wash off our wings, because that's what we do. We wash our chicken. And then she's gonna make a marinate the chicken, and we'll be back. So she's gonna get everything ready to get marinated, wash that chicken off and everything, and get the marinade started, because that's going to be a while. And you know what I need you to do in the meantime. That's right, hit that subscribe button, and we'll be back. So Angel washed off the chicken, and she put all our things in it, and now she's just going to mix it up. Go ahead and put some gloves on. That'll make it a little easier on you and keep your hands a little more clean. She's just going to mix that up real well, and then just let it sit and marinate for a while.
sure you get it coated.
Yep, get it up under those wings, open those wings up, and get it all in there. Smash it in. There you go. You see how she's rubbing that in there? Smash it in. That's how you do it. So she's going to get all of those mixed up. Put that lid on it. Put it in the refrigerator for a good half an hour. Or you can do it as long as you want, but you know, we're hungry in Lavonne's kitchen. You know how greedy I am. So we're gonna let that just marinate for a half hour, and then we're gonna go ahead and cook them. We'll be back. So the wings have marinated. For overnight instead of just an hour. So these are going to be amazing. So she just took a sheet pan and covered it with foil, and she's gonna put it in the oven uncovered, and we're gonna see what magically happens. So there is a lot of that seasoning left in the bowl. She's gonna scrape that up and just add it to the wings, just so it has all of that extra flavor. We don't want to just throw the flavor away. We're gonna cook that. Oh yeah, there we go. I forgot to put them on the rack. So I took them off of the foil and put them on a rack. That way there is air up under them to circulate, so that the bottom of the wings don't be soggy and the top is crunchy. So as you can see, it's like maybe an inch up under there. So we're gonna put this in a 425-degree oven, and like I said, let it do its magic. Ooh, it's ready to come out. Look at that. So our wings are done and ready. And it's about time to taste these bad boys. They look good. Hi, and so guess what? The wings are ready, and I got one, and I'm ready to taste it. Look at it, look at it. Look at that, look at that. It is hot, but I'm gonna eat it anyway. I just want to taste it. Ooh, hot. Oh my God. This flavor on top of flavor. It's It's not as spicy as I thought it was. Mmm. Okay, let me slow down. But it's good, y'all. Y'all try this recipe. Oh, yeah. Y'all try this recipe. I'm going to go and get me a couple more, put them on my plate, and eat them. And guess what? I'll see you next time in the kitchen.